I want to ask you something, and I want you to reflect upon this. Do you love your partner conditionally or unconditionally? Again, do you love your partner conditionally or unconditionally? True love is unconditional love. When you love somebody, whether they do what you want or they don't do what you want. And this is the love that we want to cultivate in our relationship. Imagine, God forbid, one day your partner, who did everything for you, was struck by an illness. And they were bedridden. And now they were not able to do all those things that they used to do for you. If you love your partner conditionally because of the things they did for you, then very soon you will give up on this bedridden partner. But if you love them unconditionally, you will stay by their side through thick and thin. So let's develop relationships that are based on unconditional love. But the way to earn this is to do as much as you can for your partner and to keep them happy, and through this grow the love.